All right, today I'm right here to give you an exclusive update video of the ongoing construction on the Lagos to Calabar Coastal Highway construction right here in Lagos State, Nigeria. So today I'm starting this video all the way from Eleko Junction to Shangotedo ShopRite. So endeavor to watch this video to the very end so that you can get the latest update on the Lagos Calabar Coastal Highway construction. And this video is going to contain the areas that the work is ongoing. You can see behind me a lot of tractors, so you can see a lot of tractors right here. So these are the tractors, the vehicles, the bulldozers used for the construction of the Lagos Calabar Coastal Highway construction. You can see work is earnestly going on, so endeavor to watch this video to the very end so that at the end you'll be glad that you did. Please don't forget to subscribe to Martinez Home, where we'll give you an exclusive update about real estate and about the development currently going on here in Lagos State, Nigeria. My name is Martinez from Martinez Homes, your trusted real estate consultant. Today, I'm taking you on an exclusive video tour of the Lagos to Calabar Coastal Highway construction. This is how I started my day. It was not funny, but I'm going to gist you guys. I was so determined to bring you the best updates on this massive infrastructure project. I kick off my journey from the bustling Eleko junction, heading straight down to Shangotedo ShopRite area. Along the way, guess what? I encountered some major barriers. The sand was piped so high that vehicles could not access the road easily. But you know what? My determination today was on a whole different level. I had to hop on a bike just to ensure I capture every detail for you so that you will be informed of the present development about the Lagos to Calabar Coastal Highway construction. That is the level of dedication I have to keep you informed. As my subscribers, as my followers, as my viewers, my duty is to update you on what is going on right here in Lagos State and in Nigeria as a whole. So, the Lagos Calabar Coastal Road construction is being executed in batches. So that's why you see some parts is being completed, some part is not being completed. So they are doing it in batches. So as time goes on, it will now be meshed together. So one can easily start the journey from Victoria Island through Lekki, through Chevron, Ajah, down to Lekki. So as for now, they are doing it in batches. At some junction, you witness heavy dredging of the land. Yeah. While in some other areas, you see them doing clearing. And while some parts clearing has been completed, and also some part is also undergoing sand filling with the road bed elevated significantly above the ground level. This isn't just any road. The depth and solidification of this coastal road process shown that this will be a durable and resilient highway. It's going to last for years because I've seen the work, I've seen the energy, the commitment, the dedication, the effort put on that road is going to serve for a very long time. So now let's talk about something very crucial. So property investments along these axis. As I pass through today, guess what? I noticed some property being affected by the ongoing construction. That is quite appalling. It's too bad on the other hand. Here is the thing. If your land title has been properly perfected, trust me, you will be compensated. However, if your property has no legal title, that is a significant loss. This is why I always advise investors to be diligent about that kind of property they purchase. Ensure that your property has a good title. Do your proper verifications. Take a surveyor to the land. Take the coordinate. Go to Alausa. Ensure that you do your due diligence before you can go on and before you can commit yourself by making payment on that property. Ensure you do your proper verification, because I will not want your hard-earned money to just go down the drain just like that. No. So imagine doing good investment on this axis, you will be happy. So imagine your property is affected on this axis, you will not be happy, because making this money is not just overnight. It costs you a lot. So it costs you a lot. So it is very mandatory that you do the necessary thing before proceeding. Protect your hard-earned money by investing wisely. Don't just invest anyhow because it is cheap, because it is affordable, you jump at it. No. Let's be guided, please. And that is why I'm always right here for you, to guide you, to help you secure a safe, reliable real estate investment. Now, imagine living or running your business along this beautiful coastal axis. Just imagine that. One of the most breathtaking sights as you travel the Lagos Calabar Coastal Highway is the majestic view of the Atlantic Ocean. Just picture walking up to that view or having your business thrive in such a prime location. Isn't that amazing? The importance of this coastal road cannot be overstated. I can keep on going on and on, telling you the importance, telling you in fact, on and on. I could remember some years back, I told some of my clients, come and buy this property in these houses.
They were saying no. Some took advantage, some said not yet. But once this coastal road has been completed, I laugh in Spanish, investors will smile to the bank. Smart investors will smile to the bank. Seriously. So this coastal road will boost business activities, open up real estate opportunities, create countless jobs, and drive significant economic development. This project is not just about connectivity, maybe connecting one state to another. No, it's way beyond that is also good, but it's way beyond that. It's about transforming the entire region and ensuring the lives of millions, because populations are increasing day by day, and the need for governments to create more roads. So now, what are the benefits of this coastal road? How is it going to benefit Nigeria? How is it going to benefit the inhabitants of this area? It will increase economic opportunity. It will also improve quality of life, and also it will also create job. So this project will enhance quality of life for residents and travelers, reducing congestion and improving air quality, and it will also create job and stimulate local economy. So in conclusion, the Coastal Calabar Highway construction is a critical infrastructure project that will transform Nigeria coastal regions by improving connectivity, stimulating economic growth, and enhancing safety and environmental sustainability. This project will have a lasting impact in the region and the country. So that is all for today's talk. If you found this video informative, please don't forget to hit the subscription button, like, and share with others who might find it valuable. Stay tuned for more updates on the Lagos Calabar Coastal Highway and real estate insights. But then, keep investing smartly and stay inspired. My name is Mounties from Martinez Home, a real estate consultant here in Lagos State, Nigeria. Give me a call if you want to ask me any questions, if you want to know anything in these houses in Lagos. Just give me a call. That's my call line and also my WhatsApp line. Give me a call. So this is the end of the Lagos Coastal Road right here in Shangotedo Oasis. So I'll be ending this video here until I come your way again. To have a wonderful and a beautiful day ahead. See you in my next video. Bye for now. Thank you.